Welcome back, guys. We continue to build our BMW. I don't know how to call it, restoring, refreshing, updating, but we have another new parts, another faults, so we will fix few of them today. So the first thing we will do today, ABS sensors. I just started to replace one by one because I did already on the right side, front and left. So today I will replace left side, front and rear same time. Sometimes the car is throwing fault about the front sensor, but it's only on the long runs after it disappeared. The right one is completely alright so far, but I just want to do it everything in one go and forget about the sensors. Together with the sensors, we will replace these faded yellowish side repeaters. I was thinking to buy the standard crystal one or clear or some update from eBay, but I end up with the original look crystal ones. We'll see how they're gonna look, if there's any difference. Hopefully yes. It's very difficult to show you how to replace ABS sensors, but there's nothing really difficult. There's just one cable connector and one small screw. So we'll just film now inside, and after I will carry on. By the way, because we did in the previous videos, we did H&R springs, I just checked everything underneath and there is no more rubbing than it used to be before. So there is slightly rubbing in the front, which you will see in a second, but it's not more than it was before. So I'm pretty much surprised because the car sits very low and I'm very happy there is no any rubbing. Okay, let's carry on ABS sensors. Well guys, sensor is out. Basically what we need, there's just one bolt, so 5mm Allen key will be enough for you. I use just a head, so 5mm. That's only one bolt which is holding sensor to the wheel bearing or wheel hub, in case if you don't know. And this is just connector. So how you can see here, we still have original BMW sensor, and the car is 2010, so 14 years. I would say not bad, not bad. I'm pretty much sure they've never been replaced, which is nice. So as a replacement for ABS sensors, I always using ATE brand, and now I will show you why, in case if you don't know. This is our original, which we took from the car, BMW ATE. So this is original supplier for the BMW, and the only difference, if you buy this sensor from BMW, probably it will cost over £100, $100, €100. It depends where you are. And the only difference, it will be same ATE sensor, just on my there is no BMW logo. So that's why I'm always preparing, if it's about the ABS sensors with BMWs, I'm always buying ATE because I know this is original sensor which would come from the factory, and obviously it's almost twice cheaper than if you will go buy from BMW. So replacing it pretty much straightforward, it's very easy, just one bolt connector. If you don't know, these cars, if one of the front sensors will die, it's not a big deal, so you will have all the stability control errors on the dash, but the car will still work properly. The worst thing, if one of the rear ones dies, like in my case, the driver's side rear at some point died before as well. And because the car have a lot of readings from the rear sensors, when the rear sensor, my right sensor died, the car starts throwing gearbox overheating fault, gearbox fault malfunction or something like that. So all stability control things as well. It can switch off your speedo. So it will basically, it's not even Christmas tree on the dash, it's worse. But don't stress if it happened to you, scan the car, and most likely it's just the ABS sensor. And mostly, if you have a lot of errors, it will be the rear one. If you have only stability control, like DSC, it will be the front one. Because it's already third one, we replaced, how I told before, we replaced two on the other side, one on this side. So we will do this one. Just as a preventive maintenance, we will replace last one on this car on the rear wheel, and hopefully it will be done. And I will, well, in next 10 years, I'm not gonna do this again, hopefully, fingers crossed. Okay, carry on, let's finish this. It's a very easy job and will protect us from the headache in the future. Because how you know, we have a lot of plans with this car, and basically, as closer to factory condition we can make it, is better for us. Well guys, the rear one is out as well. Let's double check my theory. So this is original BMW. Again, 14 years, never been replaced. And it's absolutely fine. So, I mean, the sensor is absolutely working condition. I'm replacing just because I'm already here. So it's absolutely working. And what we have here, ATE. Same brand as here, and again the only difference, the BMW logo is not there. The rest is all the same. So same process as the front one, just the Allen key or wherever is like 5 millimeters. There is no any tension, it's very easy to unscrew, so you can use any Allen key. The only difference from the front one, the wire connection is under the inner liner of fender. That's it. The rest is absolutely the same. So let's put this new on. Let's start the car. Hopefully there's no any errors. And replace the side indicator. Okay guys, ABS sensors officially replaced. All 4 ABS sensors on this car are new, but we're still far away from our final result of this car. So if you're interested in watching our way, follow us on Instagram, subscribe to this channel. Lots of parts, some of them already bought, some of them on the way coming. Our total idea to make this car, well, as much as possible brand new, maybe with some updates which already have there. Side indicators, I'm surprised what the difference. I would say even other optic now looks quite old compared to the side indicators. Now we'll just jump in, clean the codes because we unplug and plug ABS sensors. If nothing coming back, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If there's something will be more, some faults, you will see it. Cheers guys.